Welcome, Shines, and today I have my two friends here doing this video with me. This is Isaiah, my cousin, and this is Elijah, my other cousin. And today I'm going to be opening up 4 pieces of stress balls, and I'm really excited. Let's see how they turn out. Alright, now I'm going to be opening. Okay. So the first one is green. Oh my gosh, it's already so soft. Oh, that is so cool. Here.
What do you think, Elijah?
I really like how it squishes, and I like the color inside. It's really cool. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. It's so good. Alright, number 2. Alright. Now I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna squish it. Okay. It's again soft. And this one has like a dark purple inside, and it's really cool. And I got these from Amazon, and they are so good. Alright, number 3. This orange one. It's really soft, and inside there's a red. Oh, that's so good. I love these. Alright. Last one, number 4. This one is blue, and okay. I love the color blue, so I'm really excited. Oh. Alright. There seems to be a little bit of like purple on it. I don't know if it's leaking.
Push it out. Let's see.
It may be leaking at somewhere. There's pink in it, and that's where it is. But it's still a good squish for now, so that is really good. If you want these, go in the description, and there's a link below in Amazon. Bye! Thanks for watching.